allows engineers and contractors to access the benefits of BIM without the complexity. And BricsCAD Mechanical has closed the compatibility gaps and now streamlines the move from the legacy 2D mechanical CAD systems. So, we are excited to kick things off in this session with Don diving into the new exciting innovations for BricsCAD Pro and Lite. Don, over to you.
Hello, I'm Don, Executive Product Manager for the BricsCAD Pro and Lite products, and I'm here today to take you through a tour of what's new in our flagship DWG-based CAD product, BricsCAD V24. BricsCAD is a professional CAD product that doesn't force you to compromise. It's also a modern CAD product that offers all the familiar features that you'd expect in a drawing-based CAD system, with innovative tools that you simply won't find anywhere else. Modern, familiar, and innovative, and cost-effective. Welcome to BricsCAD V24. Today, we will focus on our three guiding principles and demonstrate BricsCAD's ability to automate and optimize the types of workflows that you perform every day. First, it's our goal to deliver a familiar and compatible CAD experience so you can be familiar with BricsCAD quickly. And we want to build innovative ways to accelerate your time to deliverables, especially using BricsCAD's AI and machine learning-based features. And our third guiding principle is the modernization of BricsCAD's user experience and overall UI to provide a simple and accessible toolset for all users. Now, our example data set today is a retail store layout. We'll start in 2D, then we'll take the 2D geometry and use it to create 3D models to validate our layout. Then we'll create a set of shop drawings for fabrication and installation. But before we dive into the workflow, let's take a look at BricsCAD V24's modern user experience. Take it away.
The new Start page in BricsCAD V24 offers an easy-to-select template view, a list of recently opened drawings, and an option to pin the recently used files so they remain at the top of your list. We wanted to make it easier to adopt new and unique to BricsCAD tools and features, so this is why we added our first set of hands-on tutorials. On the Start page, you can find a banner which takes you to the tutorials. Based on how you fill in the guide, you'll get the tutorials you need. Now let's get into BricsCAD. We heard that you love our tips panel, so we revamped it and made it even more comprehensive. You'll find in-product guidance to all the new features in BricsCAD V24, to our unique tools, and more. The ribbon has been redesigned with the guidance of AI User Assist, user data, and lots of feedback coming directly from you. It brings an improved, modern, and simplified look with more convenient icon spacing. If you still can't find what you're looking for, you can just type it into the search bar and it will take you to the right location. Now you're always in control of your drawing environment, so you can switch off the modern layout, refresh, and go back to the classic experience, right here using the new interface settings dropdown. We also implemented a much requested quick calculator, which allows for fast and accurate maths calculations directly inside of BricsCAD. We're so excited to see how these features and updates will make it easier for you to learn, use, and adopt BricsCAD.
As you can see, we're working hard to make BricsCAD modern, simple, and easy to learn. Let's take a look at BricsCAD V24.
When you start BricsCAD, the launcher allows you to pick the workspace for the current task you want to perform. Let's open the drawing we're going to start with for our 2D floor plate layout. As usual, you can select template files, apply them to your models and your layouts to ensure that your drawings meet your standards. New to V24 is the ability to directly create new drawings from a template from the start page. Now, the BricsCAD Layout Manager also assists you in adding, removing, renaming layouts directly from that tab, and also has the ability to publish selected layouts using all of the output functionality of BricsCAD. You get very fast, one-click access to those tools. Speaking of one-click, the ability to have the commands you need at the point of work without any typing, no ribbons, and no toolbars, that's the BricsCAD Quad Cursor. We've improved it greatly for V24. The Quad Cursor is context sensitive, so depending on the entities you hover over, the quad will display the requisite commands that can be used with those entities. Of course, at any time, you can always type a command in at the command prompt and use the muscle memory that you already have. Speaking of commands that are, well, commandless, the manipulator allows you to select entities and move, copy, rotate, and mirror them directly with no command input. And the nearest distance command in BricsCAD accepts a typed-in dimension as an override to apply a move between any two entities. Now, in the layout of the 2D floor plate, we used a combination of geometry and blocks. You probably know that blocks are the most effective and efficient ways to represent repetitive geometry in your drawings. But sometimes it's hard to remember where you created those or to create them in the first place. And the Blockify command in BricsCAD has undergone some great enhancements for V24. Here you see us using Blockify to match geometry with other similar geometry in the drawing, and it allows us to easily create blocks to represent that repetitive geometry. This reduces the size of our drawing files and makes it easier to load and work with those drawings in BricsCAD or any other CAD program. Everything you learned about drawing in 2D can help you move to 3D with BricsCAD. Our unique direct modeling allows you to simply select faces and boundaries and then push and pull the geometry. All the 2D moves you know from sketching through extruding and creating new geometry are simpler in BricsCAD because it's one environment that lets you work in both workflows simultaneously. We've created one example of this produce bin, which we're going to add into our library parts. Now we'll simply copy it to produce the quad bin that we're going to use in the final library component. Then we'll switch on some layers to show you the outer surroundings that we've created separately for this produce bin. This same paradigm of using a sketch in 2D and then using it to create 3D geometry works for just about any shape you can imagine inside of BricsCAD. And here's the 3D representation of our 5-door refrigerator case for the store planning exercise. Now that we've placed all of the 2D blocks in their proper orientation on the floor plate, we're going to use the block replace workflow within BricsCAD to simply swap them out for their 3D equivalents. If the 3D parts have been modeled and exist in your library, tools like block replace can help you move from 2D to 3D faster and more accurately. Once we have the 3D model, it's very easy to do visualizations and advanced calculations on the way things fit together within the space. Now we'll insert a parametric block created in BricsCAD directly from our library to place an end cap on the end of one of the shelving units. We're constantly improving BricsCAD parametric blocks, and there's a lot of great new features in V24. For one thing, it's more visual. Do you see that flip line? And you can see that a parametric block can contain a variety of different states that allow you to represent it as required in various drawings. Here are a series of dynamic blocks created in another CAD product. Whilst these blocks work perfectly in BricsCAD and can be used in all their iterations, they can't be edited. That's why we created Block Convert. In V24, we've consistently enhanced and refined Block Convert to accept dynamic blocks from other programs and immediately convert them into BricsCAD style parametric blocks so that you can edit them inside of BricsCAD's block editor. Here you can change the visibility states, cycle through of all of the available parametric actions, and add and remove those parametric actions as you need from your blocks. You may find that even when blocks are included in libraries, for example, the produce bins that we're working with here, we can see by hovering over them, the tooltip says that an incorrect version of these blocks has been used. This is not a problem. The drawing health management workflow in BricsCAD has been improved again for V24. It now incorporates overkill, which allows you to select geometry in the drawing that's duplicated and simplify it, or in our case, to select duplicate block definitions that have different names. This ensures you remain in control and gives you the ability to quickly rectify each of these insertion situations within a single operation. The drawing health tool is automated, not automatic. You have full control over what gets modified. At the end of the drawing health run, the command generates a report to show you all the changes that have been made to the current drawing. Now let's start to lay out some drawing views of our 5-door refrigerator cabinet. We need some shop drawings that will be used to finish the assembly of these cabinets and prepare them for installation on the floor of the store. We're going to use the view-based command to create our standard drawing views very quickly from that 3D geometry. We have full control over the way that each of those views are depicted in the Properties panel. Now, earlier you saw how easy it was to go from 2D to 3D. Well, now we're showing you how easy it is in BricsCAD to go from a 3D model to a 2D drawing that's fully associative to the model. When the model changes, the drawing will update too. You have the ability to quickly create a section view and create circular or rectangular details just as easily. In V24, we've improved the performance of generated drawing views in BricsCAD to help you get the drawings you need out of your models faster, whilst maintaining the accuracy you need. Next, we want to add a parts list to this drawing to call out the various components of this refrigerator case. To do that, we'll use multimeter entities to point to all the individual parts and pieces making up the equipment. We're going to use this drawing on the shop floor to help the team assemble this cabinet. You notice that we can select these multi-leaders and change the way they're depicted very easily from the property panel in BricsCAD, with all the functionality and capability you'd expect from this common entity type. The multi-leader align makes it clear how lining the identity. We'll connect the rest of that sequence and show you the rest of the multi-leaders first. Our shop drawing is generally complete. Another thing you ask for is behavior that's consistent with other CAD applications. In BricsCAD Pages 3, the true and extent codes automatically highlight geometry to show you what your options look like.
BricsCAD parametric block workflow with block convert, which has been greatly enhanced for the V24 release. We're super excited for you to find out more about our products. You can download BricsCAD V24 today at the link shown on your screen or learn more at brixis.com/BricsCAD V24. Hope that you enjoyed this presentation and look forward to you finding out more about our flagship drone-based CAD product. Next, I'm going to hand it over to Nick Ellis to talk to you about the Civil toolset on BricsCAD V24.
Thank you, Don. I'm excited to share some highlights of the work we've done for our civil and civil users in V24. While the civil and civil tools in BricsCAD may be a great solution for many users, particularly those who don't know all the features and complexity of a full civil and civil application. We realize that some users do need a full suite of civil and civil tools. This is where our large network of partner developers comes in. Depending on the specific projects that you run and the region lines of your work, we have a partner application that extends the powerful platform lifestyle to run you with additional tools when needed. BricsCAD has introduced practical tools for civil engineers and surveyors since version 19. Bringing productivity enhancing tools to the industry in a phenomenal CAD environment with a particular focus on creating accurate and efficient T surfaces and grading objects faster, as well as workflows to leverage GIS data, even round-tripping it to other GIS systems. For BricsCAD V24, we've been working hard to improve our areas of focus and make them even more powerful and easier for you to use. For this version, we introduced a full round-trip GIS workflow, allowing you to manage and create GIS data in a familiar CAD environment. We have enhancements to our T surface user interface to make it easier to learn and faster to use. We've added running and separator factors to control the number of officers used on breakdowns and contours on providing the surface, making them more accurate and efficient. We now have a specific T surface definition for contour, automatically minimize failures. And a new user interface for editing and creating label styles, speeding up this tedious process and making it easy to standardize labeling across your labels. We've also added new transport tools, so now entering data in common civil survey formats, enter data in the format that you want, like bearing distance, angular distance, shell numbers, and more, directly into standard CAD commands. We'll get the job done faster when the commands work as a data. The T surface is at the center of almost every civil survey project. Not only is it critical that it's accurate, but it's also valuable that it's efficient. An unnecessary large and small surface is not just slow to learn, 2022. This year, with the launch of V24 and with over 5 years of improvements and innovation, we have a compelling set of tools for civil and survey users to help them get their projects done faster. We've continued to improve our surface technology to create industry-leading surfaces that are accurate and lightweight, a cornerstone for workflows such as grading and site design. We've added better levels of interoperability with our new one-trip GIS workflow. And there's also so much more. Be sure to check out our civil and survey breakout sessions for an in-depth look at some of these new features. We have 3 sessions on working with clean surfaces in BricsCAD, 2 on site grading in BricsCAD, as well as demos on the new transparent commands, leveraging GIS data, and highlights from some of the applications from our partner developers. We invite you to visit us online to find more detailed information or contact one of our local experts to get a personalized demonstration. With that, I'll pass it over to Melissa for more about what you can look forward to in the new version of BricsCAD.
Thank you, Rick. Hi, everyone. As mentioned, I'm Melissa Rivera, Senior Product Manager here at BricsCAD. First of all, thank you for taking the time for today's presentation. As every year, this is one of the most exciting times for the BricsCAD team and myself. Today, I can finally get to show you and give you the tools you not only buy but truly need. Over the past year, we had numerous conversations with our customers. We looked into the many innovative ways that have been using BricsCAD and urban tools, and how it's been of value to their daily task, and how we can take it a step further to enhance their experience. As we discussed last year, BricsCAD BIM is a CAD software tailored for people. V24 is here to help designers, engineers, and engineering contractors accelerate their essential workflows. Our new features in V24 have been driven by 3 essential workflows that were mentioned by the majority of our users. Those essential workflows are 2D to 3D, data exchange for collaboration, and scalability. So in V24, going from 2D to 3D BIM, we made it not only easier but also familiar. We made it even better when it comes to extension layering, and we made it quicker and easier when it comes to scalability. We think this will not only developers or customers, but for anyone who wants to do the same type of work, but their current CAD solution just cannot do the job for them. We'll show you how this new workflows influence all your features. Starting with the first use case. So what we heard often from users like general contractors is that they were still receiving 2D from designers for at least 40 to 50% of their projects. So they have to convert this 2D into 3D and the models for coordination, visualization, planning, and project takeoff. This effort to create accurate 3D or BIM models can be overwhelming for some companies, especially when you factor in the cost of the software engineering. In V24, our building modeling tools are simple to use, familiar, and smart when needed, or possible in one CAD software. I will show you these tools in action. BricsCAD BIM V24 makes it simpler than ever to create BIM models. With packed-in smart tools and unique functionality that gives you the option to browse more, whilst eliminating the complexity that you don't need. When creating roles from a 2D layout, you're not only able to trace lines and define parameters from your own material, you're also able to automatically generate roles with the correct thickness, no matter whether you're looking for 2D layouts or CAD data. This flat tool gives you the advantage of converting boundaries into a clear set, simply select the roles you want to use, along with any offsets or contours, and let BricsCAD do the hard work. You're also able to use a 2D layout to place columns, even if they're not a square shape. A boundary detect identifies it for you and places them automatically. Interior roles are just as easy. Pick a composition and use the 2D layout to choose roles. With BricsCAD, automatically detect your fitness. From there, use smart tools to connect roles together or extend to external roles. Once the initial core layout is done, then you have the option of using the Quick Draw tool to copy the layout to other stories. Also, we've answered user requests for simple role shapes by giving you the option to create basic role shapes. All of these tools will help you move from 2D to 3D in less time and without extra learning curve. To the second use case. Most of our users choose us because they want to adopt open loop and they use open combination and collaboration. We find this for general contractors as well as for structural engineers. Open loop provides big advantages. For example, allowing different software to communicate and exchange data seamlessly, reduce error marginally. This means you have the ability to future-proof your business and being able to participate in multiple BIM workflows. But collaborating is still challenging due to the high use of closed files, which can cause errors. With BricsCAD BIM V24, we added even better tools for IFC classification and data exchange in all BIM formats, including words. As you will see in the demo, the BricsCAD BIM approach dramatically improves collaboration without any increase in complexity. Do note that this new Revit Expo is for visualization and not meant for editing inside Revit. We do plan to continue developing this further as we continue to hear your feedback. Now, let's check out the new features. We know how important it is to be able to collaborate with ease and confidence, so BricsCAD BIM V24 has enhanced and added functionality to make that happen. Enhanced functionality of existing IFC interoperability by adding tools to ensure IFC quality and flexibility. The IFC reference tool now allows you to export geometry as a reference or underlay for use in Revit, enabling you to make a simplified version of the model, which is readable while in program. There's now a unified IFC namespace, which means that you can specify IFC BIM packages without worrying about which version of IFC you want to use. Simply add your BIM packages, and when it comes to exporting, BricsCAD does all the necessary work behind the scenes, and one less thing for you to worry about. This enables you to input data from stakeholders whilst being aware of any issues that may be associated with the file. And smart visibility rules on IFC packages mean that it's easier and quicker for you to classify and verify objects based on IFC core scales. But IFC isn't enough. We've responded to the need for proprietary output with Revit Expo. System has ongoing improvements, and we strive to make it easier to exchange models and data with companies. Last but not least, that brings me to the third use case. So, scaling buildings for renovation, retrofit assessment, quality, and expo implementation is becoming more and more popular. And we all know that the effort to convert the raw scale into a usable model can become too time-consuming to see any benefit. As part of our innovative vision to have the software carry the rules of the spec so that your team can focus on the design, BricsCAD BIM V24 has added new functionalities for automatic scaling to plan to their capabilities. It's clear to know that this is one of the technicals we support. The second workflow is a more conventional workflow. Enough of me talking, let's just jump into the demo. BricsCAD BIM V24 makes navigating point clouds quicker and easier by making a better sense of your data, as well as existing functionality to isolate sections of the point cloud. There's now the ability to classify point cloud data right within BricsCAD BIM. This means that you can use the point cloud manager to switch various classes on or off, making it easier for you to concentrate on the data you need for a project. Just need rows and rows, click, click, and you're done. trained on our scan to BIM vision, and we've improved our detection tools by giving you the ability to detect rooms for the point cloud and classify those rooms at the same time. After specifying a given floor and number, BricsCAD BIM identifies rooms and displays them in the Workload Manager pane, but you're always in control. Select rooms and merge them and rename them if you need to. Now that BricsCAD has been properly classified into classes and roles, we can start using smart modeling tools to create geometry and classify the results used as BIM spaces. You can go from point cloud to geometry in 2 clicks. In these particular, we continue our mission to go from point cloud to BIM, and we'll keep bringing you tools that enable you to do this quicker, more easily, and more accurately. Okay, this is a notebook for me. Just a short recap. In this one, has been made familiar and easy as possible to go from 2D to 3D. We create a redirection of benefits with an open buffer. Ensure that the data accounts must be made on the automated discrete buffer. And it knows how BricsCAD BIM 3.4 shows a continuous BIM outline to push the boundaries of code using 3D, BIM, and object tools. And we continue to make our technology accessible to users and are afraid to take on innovation. To learn more, we invite you to visit us online to explore more detailed demonstrations of the software. And of course, download the platform. And now hand it over to you, Paul.
Hello, I'm Kip Ball, Executive Product Manager for BricsCAD. BricsCAD V24 provides manufacturers with any size with the fastest path from concept design to production build. Last year, with V24 release, we delivered the most requested 3D mechanical CAD projects. That meant covering all the basics, such as symbols and annotation, power dimensioning, and the ability to edit symbols file images from the visual files. With BricsCAD Mechanical V24, we turn on the feedback to the cost files and software deployment tools of our product. More specifically, we focus on helping manufacturers migrate from AutoCAD and other 2D design and development software so that they can leverage the BricsCAD cost-saving advantages by closing the functionality gap between AutoCAD and BricsCAD Mechanical, and to help manufacturers accelerate the time to deliver production materials. And by providing non-3D experts with the ability to reuse existing 3D models for public applications and design for manufacturing industries. In this new report, we've done the extra things needed to provide our clients with a complete 3D design documentation that is familiar and compatible with the software that's using today. The new V24 capabilities require additional part methods and part list creation and editing methods. The suite of usability updates such as keywords and rescaling for text, dimensions, and locations. The feedback we received during our summer beta program helped validate that BricsCAD Mechanical V24 closes the key functionality and interoperability gaps highlighted in the highlights. With this release, we are eliminating the risk of migrating from a legacy 2D CAD software to BricsCAD Mechanical. the goal is to enhance the performance of an existing actual design by adding a custom gasket. First, we'll utilize BricsCAD Mechanical's powerful 2D design capabilities to quickly update the model. To make clear to the assembly technician that this step will require a tool. We can even add a 3D model space of a particular step. This allows for a great deal of detail to be communicated in each step of the process. We can now export the sequence of steps to SVG format, complete with all annotations. Each step in the sequence will have its own SVG file. From the assembly manual document, it's just a case of importing the SVG step required for the manual. To recap, assembly technicians will calculate to effectively complete the jobs. We've shown that the BricsCAD Mechanicals is supposed to generate the general management area, explore the board, and graphics for the assembly manual, and the board this information, Albert reoriented the chart and read on the text. As you will see in the results, if the 10-year line with only 100%